Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo Pato and Elly has race. Let's start drawing first. Pocoyo is racing with his beautiful racing car. Fantastic! Pato is racing with his skateboard. I love my pen. Elly is racing with a scooter that is the same color as her, which is pink. I love my pen. Fantastic! Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Oops, there is a problem. We have to solve it. We will try to fix it. Who do you think is the winner of this competition? If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.